Welcome on the table with Fabina. My guest, Violeta, is going to announce a very special occasion for worldwide therapists. I should say, listen and just go for it. So,
Uh,
so you
so
feel
great to be here with. Yes, I feel very good. I was not expecting to feel so comfortable. So that's why sometimes, not sometimes, I think that we make much more scenario in our head than in reality.
mm,
I was really nervous, and here I am. Don't close, stay here. It's amazing.
okay.
If you have other questions to ask me. I forgot to speak about a big event that will happen in Switzerland
Okay, speak
on
because it's recording.
19-20 April. It's an event organized by the World Massage Association of Nuad, Thai and Spa. It's an event that will be held in Zurich, as I said, in 19-20 April. It will be a marathon of 2 days with workshops from Eastern and Western massage techniques and methods. Everyone is invited, so you don't have any limitation. It's not for just for the Thai community, but it's for massage community, for everyone who wants to improve, to learn, to develop, to come and connect and take contact with new techniques. More exotic. I know that at least two of the guests of the instructors will come from Japan. So I think will be very, very interesting. I'm also looking forward to I will be participating as a student as well, because I want to learn and to grow my sphere of knowledge. And I think it's important that if someone can join, to do so. And
Yeah.
I really recommend you to have Miss Chutima Hälg as your guest. She will give much more details than
Yeah.
I.
Okay. I will. For those who know me, know that creating and making combos is really my thing. Are you curious what I'm doing? Go take a look at Fabina Balance Academy. The link is academy.adunia.be. With this, I would like to thank you again for your interest